Hey guys, so I'm in the mood and I decided to make a tutorial regarding how did I make it so my screenshots are taken daily, automatically, and at the end of the day, they basically are sent to the GPT4 vision and are summarized and sent to your email. So let's start step by step. I'm gonna walk slowly through each of these steps and explain how does it work and connect together. So I'm here in my terminal and I basically create a take a screenshot.sh script, and what it does is that it has my screenshot folder path. So I have somewhere here in my folder a folder where I want to store all of my screenshots, right? So this is what it does. And after this, it has a script which actually does those screenshots. So right now I stopped it. Let's go back and uncomment it. And yeah, what it does is basically using this script capture, puts the screenshot in this path. And after this, because the screenshots are actually pretty big, I decided to make them a little bit smaller because it takes around 7 times less memory. So I'm just going out. And another script, which is actually super important, I also store it in the terminal. Let me show you it. Okay, so I'm here. I .vim, and I have .com.user.placed. This is basically a command which is launched automatically by lounchd on Mac, which is a utility to launch an operating system a daemon to make something happen. And how it looks, you can also find everything in the repository. How it looks is basically the script which runs the command which we just saw above, right? The command with the take a screenshot, and it has some key to make it every 180 seconds. And this is how it works. I go back. Those two commands actually are running. And after I have made some edits, I need to basically do the load of the user. Let me show you. Launch. I think. Yeah, I need to run this command, and it just got to load and unload this stuff, basically refresh it. I launch it, and basically since now, it's going to take screenshots every 180 seconds. So this is the first step. Now, basically, our screenshots are rolling. We don't need to do anything. They're doing it automatically. Next step is actually how do we do it so that at the end of the day, at 9 p.m., we receive an email. So to make this happen, we use the trick in the calendar that in the macOS calendar, there is a very nice feature that you can run instead of just an event, and instead of making an alert with a music or something notification sound, we're making an alert with open file stuff. So then something happens with open file. Which file? Well, actually, I just defined the file with automator. So you can also install this file from the GitHub repository. Unfortunately, I haven't found the command which can run all of those steps for you, so you have to do it manually, but stay with me. So this is basically an automator command, and what it does is that it sends you a notification. So you will know, you'll have received something like, I'm analyzing your today's work, like this. So basically, instead of background, you will have a notification text, just for you to let know that something is going on. And then it's going to run the Python script, this script. It's going to show some commands and show how it runs, the status. So I have run it, and here it is. It has 2 pictures maybe, and then it has the description, but this is all just for debugging purposes. If I go to my script, in the cursor, right, the script is pretty simple. I have my OpenAI API key here set. I have my image, right, reading, and I have the feature to run with OpenAI to summarize my day, right? And it's gonna summarize the day with a current description of each screenshot. Where do we get the screenshots? Here they are. Get image content. We get image content. We're using GPT4 Vision Preview, and yeah, it explains what does it see, and we just send it. Nice. Then we use the folder. Remember the folder we used before here with the screenshots? We need to take the path and copy it and put it exactly here, right? So the screenshots folder is going to run all of this stuff on the command on the folder, and then it's going to summarize the day. So it's gonna summarize the day using again GPT-4, we saw it above, and after this has happened, we're saving it for you in a file, which is called just a summary, which is located in the summary directory. So we go to the Finder. We have the summary directory. In the summary directory, we have the HTML of the output. Nice. And with HTML of the output, we're making a magic happen. Gmail is basically HTML. So I'm gonna send the HTML to my Gmail, and it's gonna be formatted and super nice. And after this has happened, all I need to do is go to my Gmail, the webhook via IFTTT, and we have that I actually been doing the Finder stuff. I was using the IFTTT webhooks, engaged in Figma and Telegram, and so on and so on. I hope you really like this tutorial. I decided to make it pretty slow pace, and I try to explain things which might cause problems. Let me know if you're interested in learning something else, and yeah, I think with this kind of stuff, we're moving closer to the AGI, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be there in a few years. So let's have fun in the process. Cheers.